Hello, my name is Adi Pandzic. I'm assistant professor from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering from Sarajevo, Bosnia. I'm also the SOLIDWORKS champion, using SOLIDWORKS from 2014 and working with the AMD and HP for about 3 years together with HP. This year we are presenting my latest project that I designed, the tractor. It's a 6x6 tractor with around 7,000 parts. And the whole process, the whole design, I've finished on this little piece. This is the 14-inch HP laptop powered by AMD, and it works crazy. The last year I built a similar project, that was the tractor. I built it on this big Z6 workstation, and after that, when I started using this 14-inch laptop, I don't feel any difference. I'm working really with the complex projects, and I don't have any problems.